Hello and welcome to this video from the Port Moody Public Library on accessing the LinkedIn Learning digital collection. So we're just starting here on the Port Moody Public Library webpage, and this video will be covering how to access this collection. So to start, we need to select the Borrow heading on the webpage, and in the drop-down menu select Learning and Research. On this page here, the first option we have will be for LinkedIn Learning. And if we select the button Access LinkedIn Learning, it will open up this page. And before we go to the actual LinkedIn Learning resource, there's an information notice here regarding the transfer of personal information outside of Canada that is part of LinkedIn Learning's storage of information outside of Canada. And this notice is here just to let you know that this is happening if you choose to use the LinkedIn Learning database. And we ask that you read through this information and agree to it by clicking on the button or saying, no, I don't agree. I don't want to access this particular resource. So I'm just going to click yes, I consent. And it's going to take us into a new window with the homepage to LinkedIn Learning, and select the Get Started option, and then enter my library card and PIN number into the spaces provided. And once we've done that, we will now be on the LinkedIn Learning homepage and ready to start.